Hello students, let's see the explanation of chapter 2nd Vartalapah, a dialogue or conversation. Here in this chapter, a conversation takes place at a meal time that is presented in this chapter. Eating food is a daily routine. Thus, if children make the effort to speak small sentences related to food in Sanskrit, their confidence in the language will grow. Bhavesh and Chetna are brother and sister pair. A dialogue that takes place between them is presented here. Let's see. Bhavesha, Namaskar. Bhavesh says, Greetings, Namaskar. Chetna, Namaskar. Bhavesha Agachatu, Sarva Kushalam Va. Chetna says, Greetings, Namaskar. Come, Bhavesh. Is everything fine? Bhavesha, Sarva Kushalam. Bhavesh says, Everything is fine. Chetana, Upavishatu Jalam Swikarotu. Chetana says, Please sit down and have water. Bhavesha Vadati Dhanyavadaha. Bhavesh says, Thank you. Chetana says, Tea or coffee? Chetana Vadati Chayam Va coffee. Bhaveshah Kimapi Masatu Idani Bhojanam Avashakam. Bhavesh replies, Not a thing. Right now food is necessary. It's time for lunch. Chetana Bhojanam Siddham Eva Asati Asanam Grahanam Karotu. Chetana says, Lunch is ready. Take a seat or have a seat. Bhaveshah Krupaya Pariveshayadu Bhojane Kim Asati. Bhavesha says, Please serve the food. And what is there for lunch? Chetana replies, Bhojane Vyajanam Asati, Rotika Asati, Modaka Asati, Avleha Asati, Odanam Asati, Cha Dalam Api Asati. Chetana says, There is vegetable, roti, sweet ball, pickle, rice and dal too for lunch. Bhavesha Tahi Sigram Dadhatu. Bhavesh says, Then serve it quickly. Chetana says, Swikarotu Lavanam Avashakam Va. Chetana asks, Have it. Is salt necessary? Bhavesha Am Dadatu Kinchita Takram Api Avashakam. Yes, give it. A little butter, milk is also needed. Chetana says, Chetana Swikaratu Ekam Modakam Api Swikaratu. Chetana says, Take it, have one sweet ball also. Bhavesha Dhanyavadaha Ekam Rotikam Api Dadatu. Bhavesh says, Thank you, give one roti also. Chetana, take it. Chetana says, Avleha Apiyasati Avashakam Va. Chetana says, There is pickle also. Is it necessary? Bhaveshah Masatu Idanim Odanam Dadatu. Bhavesh says, No. Let it be. Now give some rice. Chetana Swikaratu Dalam Api Swikaratu. Chetana says, Take it, have some dal also. Bhaveshah Dhanyavadaha. Bhavesh says, Thank you. Chetana Anyata Kimapi Avashakam. Chetana asks, Do you want anything else? Bhaveshah Idanim Kimapi Masatu Mama Bhojanam Samaptam Bhojanam Ruchikaram Asati. Bhavesh says, Just now not a thing is needed. My lunch is over. The food is very much tasty. Chetanaha Vadati Dhanyavadaha. At last, Chetana says, Thank you. I hope you understood the explanation of this chapter. Thank you.